Setting up an additional fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a simple way to make unlocking your phone faster and more flexible. Whether you want to use another finger or improve recognition from different angles, the process only takes a few minutes. First, open the settings page. You can do this by swiping down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, then tapping the small gear icon. This takes you directly into your device settings. Next, scroll down and look for security and privacy. Tap on it and then find the option labeled Lock Screen or Biometric Settings. When you enter this section, your phone will ask you to confirm your identity using your current PIN, password, or pattern. This step is important to keep your security protected. After that, tap on Fingerprint Recognition. Inside this menu, you will see an option like Add Fingerprint or a small plus icon. Tap on it, then choose Register to begin the setup process. Now comes the fingerprint scanning step. Place your finger gently on the fingerprint sensor area shown on the screen. Lift your finger and place it again repeatedly. Make sure to adjust your finger position each time. Cover the center, edges, top, and sides. This helps the phone capture a complete and accurate fingerprint map. Continue this process slowly until the progress indicator reaches 100%. Once the scan is complete, tap Done to save your fingerprint. If you want to add another finger right away, you can tap Add Another and repeat the same process. With everything set up, your phone will now recognize the new fingerprint smoothly, making unlocking quicker and more convenient in everyday use.